Eating the wrong food is a major reason why India has become the diabetes capital and why number of cancer patients in India has increased. In children, we are observing issues such as childhood obesity, insomnia, diabetes, and various other health problems. So we are planning to come up with a series of videos under the What's in Your Kids Food series to help you understand how you can make a small switch by reading labels on the packaged food you buy. Easy to say, make it at home, but that doesn't suit everyone in this era or busy lifestyles. So I have seen most of them making cookies at home, but it's not possible for everybody. So let's break down the ingredients in one such kid snack today. When you go grocery shopping or at any other time, it's so common that most of us buy biscuits, chips, cakes, and chocolates for our kids as a snacking option and stock them at home too, because kids demand snacks all the time, and sometimes to lure them we can offer them what they like, right? But have you ever consciously thought about the ingredients used in those snack items? Today I'll be talking about cookies that are often given to children in Indian households during kids snack time. And this video shall help you get a sneak peek into the list of ingredients most commonly found in commercially available biscuits or cookies, which are a cheaper variant, and understand how to make healthier choice for yourself and your children. Please sit with your children and continue watching this video so that they are also enlightened, they know how to make the right choice. Hello people, my name is Kavitha and I am the founder of Tots and Mom's Foods. Most of the biscuits available at local markets at a cheaper price are usually made of ingredients that are unfamiliar to us and may not be found in our kitchen too. So here's a list of the ingredients commonly used in biscuits. With the list, I'll also tell you the side effects of using those ingredients and how it can impact your children in the long run. So first one is sugar. Different forms of sugars like liquid glucose, invert sugar syrup, corn syrup are used in baking biscuits, cookies, and are not a healthy option for sure. They lead to dental problems, obesity, and the risk of getting diabetes is high. These artificial sugars are the major reason your children are addicted to such cookies and go on and finish one cookie pack in just few minutes. So the next one is palm oil. It contains high saturated fats. Because it is cheaper, it is added. Consumption of biscuits made out of palm oil may have adverse effects on cholesterol level. So now you know why obesity. Maida, it is also called as refined wheat flour. At first, it doesn't contain any essential nutrients. Also, to achieve its characteristic white appearance, Maida is often bleached using agents like peroxides, chlorine, and bromates. Consumption leads to a spike in blood sugar levels. Artificial colors and flavors, it is usually used to enhance the taste and create addiction. The synthetic flavoring and colors often used in the additives may cause allergic reactions in children too. Raising agents, most commonly used raising agents like baking soda or baking powder, without which you can't find any healthy cookies, any commercial cookies. So these develop gas or colic in the body. So please make a note of these ingredients. Now, monosodium glutamate. It is used as a flavor enhancer in most cookies. It can cause adverse reactions such as headaches, nausea, and allergic reactions. Additives and preservatives. Butylated hydroxynosole, tertiary butyl hydroquinone, sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfite are most commonly used additives and preservatives. When you cannot pronounce it, just stay away from it. To extend the shelf life and maintain freshness. But using these will have a negative implication on health as they may disrupt hormones. Now it may form benzene known as carcinogen. It is also linked to hyperactivity in children when combined with vitamin C. Asthmatic patients, children especially, must stay completely away from these. Emulsifier, the most commonly used emulsifiers are soy lecithin, mono and diglycerides, polysorbate 80. It is usually used to improve texture, consistency, and extend shelf life, but it contains cancer-causing ingredients. Remember, while these ingredients might not cause immediate issues, you may not be visibly see it. I'm giving it for my child for so long. I'm eating it. What did happen to me? They slowly deteriorate health and can have negative effect on future generations. Healthy choices over price tag is the need of the hour. Most of us are ready to buy the most expensive toys, clothes, or even choose the costliest school for our children, but hesitate when we have to buy that expensive pack from the shelf. Now that's where the compromise on quality happens. Also, people think healthy food is not as tasty and hesitate. It is the addiction to the above mentioned products and ingredients that makes us hesitate to make that switch. We strive hard at Tots and Moms to come up with healthy and tasty products using locally sourced ingredients and keeping our products completely chemical free. Tots and Moms has 4 varieties of cookies specifically designed for kids: Ragi and almond, Choco Bajra, nuts and seeds cookies, sweet and savory cookies. All of these are made with millet, jaggery, dry fruits, nuts, seeds and butter. These are rated as India's healthiest cookies by FitTuber and Deepak Thakran, who is also a fitness influencer. So do check them out at totsandmoms.com. Also available at our Bangalore and Mysore stores and at all major marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket and Meesho. So thank you for watching this video, and I really hope that you make that switch. I know it cannot be immediate, but a gradual understanding and gradual change is the need of the hour. I make lots of videos on this channel, so I have 2 video recommendations. How safe are processed baby foods? Food poisoning in babies and kids, reasons, symptoms and prevention. So do have a look at these videos. In the description I would have given the link, and consider subscribing to our channel for more such videos, and like and share this video as well, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.